Here I have the versatile and really neat audio device from Zoom. It's the Zoom H4essential 4-track 32-bit float portable audio recorder, a tool that's great for capturing music, interviews, ASMR, ambient soundscapes, and tons more. Personally, I use it for work where I need to capture my on-demand lectures with high-quality sound. I also wanted a portable and lightweight setup, which this is. This device produces better than phone audio without a complicated setup. It comes with built-in XY stereo microphones that capture rich, natural stereo sound with a wide angle. So whether you're picking up a live performance, room ambience, or a conversation with a friend, the sound feels open and realistic, not flat or tinny. But the real secret sauce here is its 32-bit float recording, which means it can handle both loud and soft sounds without distortion, even if you forget to tweak gain settings. No more clipping when things get loud or losing detail when things get quiet. It just works. And the recorder doubles as a general purpose portable studio. You've got multiple tracks if you need them, real-time waveform displays so you can actually see what you're recording, and the battery life's pretty good, so you're not constantly scrambling for a charger mid-session. Now, because it's standalone and doesn't require a computer, you can take it anywhere. Field recording, jam sessions, interviews, film sets, capturing nature sounds, whatever you need. Mine came with a case, plug, cord, and fluffy windscreen thingy, but because that windscreen is bulky, it doesn't fit in the case, so that's a bit of a minus point. And I've gone and bloody misplaced the thing, haven't I? So that's a definite minus of the case. I wish it was a little bit bulkier so I can fit everything in it. And because the mic on this device is indeed sensitive, if you're new to fancier equipment like this, you're going to want to get used to keeping the mic away from your mouth to avoid plosives. Best thing I've done is just to learn to place the mic away from my mouth. You'll also want to keep it extremely still because it is so sensitive to sound, so no fiddling around with it on your fingers. Now, since I tend to adjust audio after it's recorded, I have my settings changed a little. I put the recording source to post mixer and make sure that it's picking up as much volume without distortion as possible so I can fiddle with it in Final Cut Pro when editing. It's pretty easy to navigate through this device too, by the way. It's all done on the right side button, and in general, the whole thing's pretty straightforward, even for non-techies. Even if it's a challenge to you at first, you can pick it up in no time. On YouTube, I've found tons of videos on it. So yeah, I think this Zoom recorder is great if you're serious about capturing real sound, not just acceptable phone audio. This little Zoom recorder feels like upgrading from a kid's bike to a real road bike. It's noticeably smoother, it's more capable, and also it's kind of fun to use. Recommend.